Canada.
Canada.
Written by Will Angelo.
Written by Will Angelo.
Focus question. What makes Canada an interesting country?
Focus question. What makes Canada an interesting country?
Where is it? Canada is the biggest country in North America. It is so big that it reaches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Canada is farther north than most other countries.
Canada, where is it? North America is also big, that it reaches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Canada is the farthest north than most other countries.
Canada has only one neighbor, the United States. Ottawa is the country's capital. The city's buildings are fun to visit.
Canada has only one neighbor, the United States. Ottawa is the country capital. The country buildings are fun to visiting.
People. Nearly all Canadians speak French, English, or both. Canada's First Peoples include more than 600 groups of First Nations. They also include the Inuit and Métis. People come from faraway countries to live in Canada.
People nearly all Canada speak French, English, or both. Canada's First People include more than 600 groups of First Nations. They also include the Inuit of Métis. People come from far away countries to live in Canada.
Together, all of these different people make Canada strong. Most Canadians live in big cities in the south of Canada. Few people live in the far north.
Together, all of this year, people make Canada strong. Most Canadians live in big cities in the south of America. Few people live in the far north.
Land. Canada has many different landforms. In the west are rows of steep mountains. Then there are flat or rolling plains. A high flat area with thousands of lakes is in the middle.
Canada has many different landforms. In the west are rows of steep mountains. They are flat or rolling plains. A high flat area with thousands of lakes is in the middle.
The land in the south is where most of the cities are. In the east are hills. In the north, the land is covered with ice and snow.
The land in the south is where most of the cities are. The east are hills. In the north, the land is covered with ice and snow.
Animals. Some animals live only in the cold north. Others live only in the mountains or forests. Polar bears and carp seals live in the north. They both have white fur to hide on the snow.
Animals. Some animals live only in the cold north. Others live only in the mountain or forest. Polar bears is half still live in the north. They both have white fur to hide in the snow.
Animals. Big sheep and goats live in the mountains. They have feet that help them climb rocks. Many animals in Canada move in winter and spring. Canada geese fly south every winter. They return in the spring when it is warmer.
Big, sad, and cold all live in the mountain. They have feet that help them climb rocks. Many animals in Canada move in winter and spring. Canada geese fly south every winter. They return in the spring when it is warmer.
Celebrations. All across Canada, people celebrate winter. There are festivals for ice skating and ice carving. There are dog sled races across the snow.
Celebrated. All across Canada, people celebrated winter. These are festivals for ice skating and ice skating. They are dog races across the snow.
The biggest winter festival is in Quebec City. There is an ice castle to visit and games to play.
The biggest winter festival is in Razkid City. There is an ice castle to visit and games to play.
Conclusion. Canada is a very big country with many different landforms and animals.
Conclusion. Canada is a very big country with many different landforms and animals.
It has many different people too.
It has many different people too.
Canadians say their differences make them strong.
Canadians say their difference make them strong.